The components that should be included in an oxygen equipment bag are a therapy mask, a resuscitation mask, tubing, a bag, a reservoir bag, a regulator, and a medical grade oxygen cylinder. Cylinders should be cracked before attaching the regulator. Ensure the cylinder is pointing away from people when it is being cracked. Check the regulator has a Botox seal. Line up the pins on the regulator with the respective holes on the cylinder. The cylinder should be lying flat whenever it is not being held. Attach the tubing to the cylinder and to the back of the bag. The reservoir bag also attaches to the back of the bag. A resuscitation mask is used when the casualty is not breathing normally. A therapy mask is used when the casualty is breathing normally. When all components have been connected correctly, the reservoir bag should inflate when the oxygen is flowing.